Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 15 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again and find more security and privacy. And here scroll down to find the option installation sources. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from my browser, and all we have to do then is to find the Chrome in the list and tap on the switcher next to it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you have to be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by that developer, so you may put your data and actually hold the device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Simply tap on allow to confirm, and as you can see, the Chrome is now allowed to install some content. Of course, it works the same with all other apps, and if you wish you can remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the switcher next to the specific app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.